Hello guys, you are welcome. I'm going to be making my hair conditioner today with avocado, and this is avocado, this is banana, butter and mayonnaise with milk. Okay, this avocado, I've used it before. I kept it in the fridge but it's changed color, but I just still use it because it's still useful. Just 3 days I kept it. Okay, so avocado is very good for your hair, banana is very good. This is mayonnaise, so I'm going to be, you have to watch the spoon, so I'm going to be taking 2 spoons in this mayonnaise. Depends on if it is only your hair you want to do, but this one I'm using it for just me. Okay, this is butter. Butter is very good to moisturize your hair. It's very good. It make your hair strong and thicker. This is soya milk. I'm going to be using soya milk, just little. You can use ordinary milk, you can use oil. So I'm going to be blending it together. So I use a lot of conditioner on my hair, which I will be showing you quickly anytime I'm going to be using it. Okay, so it's very cheap and it's very good for your scalp and your hair. You moisturize your hair deeply, and you make your hair soft and shiny. So that is just it, guys. So when you are doing a use spoon, a sister of mine corrects me because electric is better to use plastic as rubber than using the iron spoon. God bless you, sis. So this is it. So I'm blending it. Yeah, the last time I was blending something I used iron spoon, so she corrects me. You see, we learn every day. God bless you, sis. So this is it. You see the texture is so good. Sorry, I messed it up. Clean it up. So it's so good and it's very good for your hair. You can decide to have a little bit of olive oil. You can decide to add coconut oil. Depends on you. Okay, but this is the way I do this. I do a lot of DIY for my hair, and you are going to be seeing a lot of them, and detox tea and a lot of things here, natural things here. So this is me losing my hair. So as I'm losing my hair now, I'm going to rub it on my hair. If you have strength, I would prefer you to be conditioning your hair once in a week if you have that strength. So if you don't have that strength, 2 times a week is okay. Okay, so don't mind the light that is in here. So the light is so bright, but I just know, I feel that what you want to see is just when I'm putting it. You see the way it makes the hair to soft. It makes the hair to soft and so soft. You see the hair so soft, and it's very good. So guys, you're going to be seeing a lot of things here, DIY, and concerning your hair, concerning your like smoothie that I take daily, like the tea, all those things. You're going to be seeing a lot of DIY things here. Okay, and sometimes we talk together, word of encouragement, sometimes my music too. Okay, just expect anything in this good channel. Okay, God bless you all, friends. I love you all, my old subscribers, my new subscribers. You all are good. You can decide to use comb, but I decide to use my hand to detangle it. Okay, you can decide to use comb, but me, I love using my hand to detangle it. I don't love using comb. Okay, so this shower cap, I use it to cover it. You can cover it for 30 minutes because I'm not going anywhere. I'm going to be leaving it maybe for 1 hour before I go and wash it. Okay, so now it's 1 hour, so I'm going to wash it off. So I'm in my bedroom washing it off. So that is it, guys. So simple. You need to see the way the hair is so soft. So the oil I'm going to be rubbing on it is the oil I made the last time. That is what I'm going to be rubbing on it. If you don't know the oil, just go down below. You will see the oil, which I will put the video at the end of this stream. Okay, just go down below. You will see the oil. Okay, it's very good for your hair and all. Thank you for coming here today. God bless you. Please don't fail to share and subscribe. Press the notification bell so that you'll be the first to know anytime I upload. Bye bye. So guys, if you want to know my shampoo, go down below of the video that I made before. Okay, you will see my shampoo in there. God bless you. I love you all. Bye bye.